Alright, I'm going to show you the little difference on the standing pins controllers. This is link 10. 9 through 12 were added on a couple of years after the initial installation. Get in. Real tight in here. You can see this one's probably pretty much like the ones you know. The other ones have a little bit of a lever on them that sticks up. It's actually kind of nice. It's a lot easier to trip them. Just walk out front here. I'll go down to lane 8, which is one of the old ones. Back in the 3000 series and the 3200s. And you'll see right here, it's a big lever on the top of it, which makes it a lot easier to see, which is nice for when you're setting pins and everything else. I'll also, while I'm here, and I know this one's marked already, I'll show you how I mark my cams and everything when I'm adjusting the Rake Cam. Basically, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do it just pretty much like I'm respotting the pin. Come over here, lock your pin gate, put it on second ball and cycle until it's at 180 waiting for pins. Okay. Now at this point, of course, you're going to want to cut your power. These, the electrical panels actually face forward, so I usually just pull the plug. It's easier to get to. Now, all you're going to do is come down to your 180 link right here, trip that. That'll re-engage your clutch. And as you'll see, I did mark the cam with a wax pencil. Just marked the collar and the cam itself. And as you can see, it really didn't move a whole lot from where I was, and I actually went too much with this one. So it's a very, very sensitive adjustment. I have to back this one off a little bit. What I also do is I mark the nut on the clutch. It's stopping a little sloppy because the clutch needs to be done, but if you can see on the side there, I don't know if it'll come out. There's a red mark there. Basically what you're going to do, we'll just say it stopped where it did before, just to make things a little easier for you to see. You're going to back it off 2 full turns. Okay, the red mark's back up, that's one. And just go one more so that mark's there. Okay, now at this point, come back and look at your Rake Cam follower. You can see it's in the low dwell of the cam there. So what you want to do is just work around the sweep link. I know some guys like to do it in different spots because this will be out of the way, but I like to have the follower actually center the cam. It makes it a lot easier and it holds it in place. Just loosen up all 6 of the 9/16 bolts. Get a rag or something because this outer over travel cam or whatever it is very sharp at the end. I really cut my finger pretty good on one of them. Just grab a rag and just wiggle the cam. It'll center itself up. And after that, tighten the bolts back up, run it through, and just see what you get. Basically what I've been doing, if I'm not pleased with what I see, I'll actually come back, redo all this, put it back at 180 again, and actually play with how much I turn the clutch. I'll turn it more than 2 full turns or less, depending which way I want to go. All right? All right.